Click2Cloud provides innovative solutions for assessing cloud infrastructure automation, managing multiple cloud and edge computing platforms across various industries. In 2014, it was founded by seasoned industry veterans with operations in India, Hong Kong, USA, China, Canada, Singapore, Qatar and more, staffed with over 150 professionals including staff in engineering development centers throughout the world. A vision of Click2Cloud is to be one of the premier cloud solution provider companies that ensures the growth of its customers through up-to-date technology, a solution-driven approach, and an outstanding professional team. Its mission is to offer its customers a converged platform that allows them to choose the cloud services and providers that best suit their requirements. With 100-plus global clients, 10-plus cloud providers engagement, ample projects delivered, and total 40% of total infra savings. Click2Cloud has 4 product: a semi-automated assessment platform that is Cloud Intel, a fully automated multi-cloud migration Cloud's Brain, a cost-cutting management platform Cost Manager, and edge computing Open 5G. Cloud Intel offers a platform that allows you to discover your IT inventory, to assess that inventory, and to obtain information for various categories in order to make decisions about moving workloads to the cloud. Cloud's Brain helps its customers manage multi-cloud infrastructure operations in the following areas: compute, storage, orchestration, containerization, networking, cloud migration, and relational databases. Cost Manager Studio simplifies processes and cuts costs for better visibility and efficiency. It includes cloud comparison, resource management, cost analysis, consumption, right-sizing, alert and recommendation engine. Open 5G by Click2Cloud is a platform for building and managing public or private clouds. With this solution, large-scale clouds can overcome key challenges, including scalability, resource efficiency, multi-tenancy, edge computing, and native support for fast-growing modern workloads, such as containerized data and serverless functions. We have a team of experts, handling and managing overall organization structure. Prashant Mishra, CEO at Click2Cloud and MVP at Alibaba Cloud; Brad Graziadio, VP Product and Strategy; Rupal Sherpurkar, Business Head at Click2Cloud and MVP at Alibaba Cloud; Bruce Su, Senior Business Development Manager; and Abdelmajid Gulayanini, Senior Business Development Lead EMEA Region.